Don't forget to subscribe. The Tinkerer, before picture, after, awesome. We're going to focus on the hinge groove on the door. Now you can see here, we're comparing the old door to the new door. We're going to put those two together so we can make it out the notches. So then here's an example of what to do.
I'm getting my chisel, you can see here, and I'm just chiseling out what I can. Now don't worry about it being perfection, because you can look at the other side and see that it's not. What I also did was make sure that I had the right amount by getting a cardboard template, and I put that right here, and it's perfect. Now this a little bit here I cut off, but that's okay. I did this side really good. So then I can get my template right in here, and now it fits right there where it needs to be. Awesome sauce. Now I screw it in, and then ta-da, you can go ahead and screw that in. I don't need to show you how to do that, but I did want to show you my technique for cutting this out without having to get a Dremel and all those tools. Just the old-fashioned manual style with a chisel and hammer, like the old caveman days. Ooh, the Tinkerer. Don't forget to subscribe. Go. Turn it up. Smooth it all out. See there? Look at that. Smooth across. Awesome sauce.